Good afternoon. My name is Adam Borland, and today I'm going to be talking about why animal testing should be replaced with modern scientific alternatives. To start, for decades, animal testing has been used to study diseases and test new medicines. Though modern scientific advancements now offer more reliable tools that directly model the human body. And that's why today, I am trying to persuade you that animal testing should be replaced with modern scientific alternatives. My knowledge on this topic comes from research as well as experiences myself as a bio major. To make my argument, I will cover why animal research and animal testing have and could be replaced by modern scientific alternatives via replacement, refinement, and reduction, the 3Rs, replacement via absolute and relative, and then finally, replacing human data can reduce error and increase safety. Now, to begin, let's look at how motions to change and have and are being reinforced today with 3Rs. What are the 3Rs? Well, I've already said it, but the 3Rs are reduction, refinement, and replacement. Via reduction is using less of animals. Refinement is figuring out which animal is more suited. And finally, replacement is the ultimate goal. Now, various alternatives to the use of animals have been suggested, such as vitro models, cell cultures, computer models, and the new imaging analyzing techniques, basically AI. Now, for reduction and refinement, most faults and mistakes are usually found out in those 2Rs. But then you finally get to replacement, which is the ultimate goal, and you have relative replacement, which is replacing animals such as vertebrates with animals that are low on the phylogenetic scale, such as instead of using a rat, maybe using like a small little sea monkey, you know? And then the most replacement models have been relative, so let's make them smaller. But the goal of it is absolute replacement, which is very rare in nowadays and could be used more in the future. And through my experience as a bio major, I have seen relative replacement as we have used little invertebrates, also, sea monkeys, for a couple of our little experiments. And finally, a simple cause and effect of improved methods of the 3Rs is simply improved results. Being faster, more efficient. That I am not. And such, using human-based data can reduce error and increase safety. Human-based data would be like the in vitro models or the cell cultures kind of thing. And then advantages associated with these methods are time efficiency, requires less manpower, and cost efficiency. Through the testimony of Balls 1964, he said that. And then, as well as another example, as in a survey taken of researchers while comparing the use of animals to created cells, most respondents indicated that they would use more animals with fewer repeated samples and collections. And then the others stated that fewer animals could be included, and others said that more criteria is required. So basically, within their test, they're saying that they end up using more animals that they needed, and they could be replaced with other different type of models or mediums in the future. Whether it be more efficient to produce more accurate results. It's clear to see that these clean-cut advantages and future reliance on animal testing is just wasteful. Bringing these ideas into a closing, it is my hope, based on the evidence providing regarding the reduction, refinement, replacement, the 3Rs, the replacement via absolute relative, and then using human-based data can reduce error and increase safety. And then ultimately, by saying all this, I hope that I have persuaded you that it's wasteful to continue animal testing with and being much more efficient relative alternatives out there, and the choice of replacing animal testing is not an ethical choice, but it is such a logical and smarter one.